morning, students. I, Anil Kumar, stands before you with another interesting story. Today, I am going to narrate a story about the Happy Prince. This story is one of the most important and interesting story. This story has been written by Oscar Wilde, who is one of the most important writer in the English language. This story about a prince. Once there was a prince who lived in palace. He did not know what the sorrow was. He did not know what the tears were. He never saw misery. He never saw tears. He never saw sorrow. He lived happily and he died happily. So after his death, his statue was set up on a tall pillar. From that height, he could see all the city with its people. When he was alive, he could not get any opportunity to see the sorrow of the people. But after his death, when he was set up on a statue, he saw all the sorrow, miseries of the people. So one day, a bird, swallow, was flying. The bird was going to Egypt. He had been flying all the day, so the bird was tired. At night, he alighted on the feet of the statue of the Happy Prince. When he was going to sleep, he felt some drops of water on his body. When the bird looked up, he saw tears in the eyes of the prince. The prince told the bird that when he was alive, he lived happily, but now he could see the sorrow of the people of his city. He told the bird that he could see a woman who was a seamstress. The woman was embroidering flowers on a satin gown of one of the maids of the queen, which she had to wear on a ball. The son of the seamstress was ill. He asked oranges, but she could not give him anything except river water. So the prince requested the swallow that there was a ruby on the hilt of my sword, to remove the ruby from the sword and take it to the poor woman. The swallow, the bird, took the ruby and gave it to the woman and returned to the Happy Prince. He wanted to fly, but the prince requested him to stay more one night. The bird stayed there. The prince told the bird that he could see a young man who was a playwright, who was writing a play for the drama, but he could not finish his play because of poverty. So he asked the fellow to take out one of his sapphire and give it to the young playwright. Another time, the prince saw a match girl whose match had been fall into the drain. If she would not take money to home, her father would beat him. So the prince asked the fellow to take the another ruby and give it to the match girl. In this way, the prince became totally blind, and he gave everything to the poor man of the city. The body of the prince was covered with gold. So one by one, he also denoted all the gold. Now he looked ugly. So the mayor of the city pulled down the statue. The bird had also died there. In the end, God sent his angels to earth to bring two valuable things. The angels took the leaden heart of the prince and the dead body of the bird to the God as a valuable things. In this way, we can say that this is one of the most interesting story, and it gives us a message that we should help the poor and needy people. Thanks. See you next time. Till then, have a nice day.